How to watch local channels on Samsung Smart TV. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to watch local channels on Samsung Smart TV. So for that you have to follow these steps. So first, make sure that you have an antenna or cable box already installed and set up to go. You may need to attach a coax cable to the antenna or box if it doesn't come with one. Connect the other end to the cable, and once you connected, then you need to change the source of your TV to TV. So in order to do that, you can press the source button on your remote and then select the source labeled TV. And once you're on the TV source, use the direction pad or arrow button on your remote to select settings and then go to all settings. And after that, just select broadcasting and then select auto program. And from there, just select start to begin auto programming and then select either air, cable or both. If you select air, you are using an antenna only, and if you select cable, you are using cable box only, and if you select both, you are using an antenna and cable box both together. And then your TV will begin to scan for channels, and after it's done, select close to finish. And this is how you will be able to watch local channels on Samsung Smart TV. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.